Welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about step 18 of the 28-point furnace tune-up and inspection. Step 18 is a supply and return duct air loss audit. I can't stress how important it is to make sure that your air duct system is bringing the air that we've heated or cooled into your home. Efficiency is always important. I don't like to overpay PG&E. I'm sure you don't either. So when we go through this equipment and we go through the plenums, we'll make sure all this breathes right. We also need to make sure that all the ductwork is breathing right. Imagine your heart in your body. This is like your heart. Then imagine all the veins running through your body, carrying all that blood to all the different fingers and toes and everywhere else it's got to go. Your ductwork is like the veins. It's got to carry that blood through your body to make sure that you're healthy. Title 24, PG&E in the state of California have determined that the average home's leak rate through their duct system is 30%. Now, I've been in homes that leak 60%. I've been in homes that leak less than 10%. I've been in some homes that don't leak at all. But let's say you're just an average home, leaking 30% of your conditioned air to an unconditioned space. That means your utility bill is 30% higher than it should be. That means you're getting 30% less conditioned air into your home. Where are you sending that air? Maybe you're sending it under the house. That could attract rodents, critters, so on and so forth. We don't want to bring those into your home. Maybe it's blowing it up into the attic. Then you got all that heat that's just dissipating out and heating your neighborhood instead of your home. So again, we don't want that. So we're going to do a complete supply and return duct inspection and audit. Make sure all your joints are sealed. Make sure all the Ys are in good shape. Make sure all the boots are in good shape. None of the ductwork's crushed, restricting air to one of the rooms. It's a very common problem. You might send a plumber, an electrician, the cable guy, the phone guy underneath the house, and they accidentally crushed a duct, and now one room doesn't heat or cool. We'll be able to catch any of that stuff for you, so we make sure we maximize your comfort in your home for as little money out of pocket to PG&E. Ductwork's important. Again, it's just like the veins in your body carrying blood. We want to make sure that they're okay. We want to make sure they're not restricting any airflow to cause this thing to have high static pressure, because we don't want any premature failure here. Again, I can't stress it enough. Super important that every year, annually, you get your maintenance done before you start using the equipment. See you on the next video.